Hey guys, this is Nikki. So I just got an email from Framework about the keyboard deflection kit. So if you guys don't know about this, you don't check your email or follow Framework news on their forums or anything like that. Well, they are offering a kit, which is basically a bunch of rubber pads that basically helps with stiffening up the keyboard deflection issue that some people were, the keyboard flex basically, that some people were complaining about. Now, I didn't experience any keyboard flex that I feel, or maybe I'm just not sensitive to it, I guess, or I'm not a heavy typer. Um, but anyways, it's still good to know. It's still good to have. And basically, you just kind of click through and follow instructions, fill out the form, and I'm gonna have to carry this with my one hand, so you can actually see it goes to a form. You fill this out, which I already did. They also link to instructions. So it just kind of, so there's the kit. There's the installation for the app. They actually have a link specifically for this keyboard deflection kit. And so it shows you what it includes. There's 5 pieces, it looks like. They're all the same thickness, it looks like, or similar thickness, except for the one sponge that goes right above the Wi-Fi card. I don't know why they call it WLAN. Is that wireless LAN? I've always seen WLAN as what do you call, like a cellular card? I don't know why, but there's no spot for cellular on this laptop. So anyways, it shows you where they all go. So the first few steps just shows you how to open it up, which, if you've already owned this laptop, it's going to be second nature. Although I really hate it because unlike the 13, I don't own the 13, but after seeing the 13, it's like 5 screws and you're in. This one has so many screws to get in. So even though it's easy to take things apart, it's just a lot just to get into the inside. But there it is. They show you where they are overall, the layout. Then they show you step by step where everything goes. So this one shows right above the WLAN. Then this one goes right above the M2 slot. The other one goes to just above the CPU. Fourth one goes just above the RAM. And then the fifth one goes just below the fan. And then, of course, they show you an overall again. And then it just shows you how to put the mid-plate back on. And then here's a blown up picture of it all installed. So I don't have my laptop, by the way. It's still an RMA, so a little update on that. It's been about a month since I sent it back. And every week I send an email to ask for an update. And they say that they will find out from the repair center. And every week I would follow up and they say the exact same thing. They would say something. Oh, sorry about that. That's my phone. So yeah, I still haven't received it yet. So I can't do anything about this. I already filled it out and I already received mine. So I'm going to show it to you. But anyways, this is a detailed photo of like where they are. They look like the majority of them goes on the heat pipe and they're cut so that they're shaped perfectly for the spot they're going to go to, including this curve here, a little slant here. These are the only 2 that are straight edged. I think there's a good here. I'll check really quick. And of course, there's a thicker one over here, and I can show you those right here. So I did receive mine finally. Actually, just received it yesterday night. And there's the kit. You can see it was made in China, August 8th of this year, 2024. Actually had this laid out a lot better before. Sorry about this. This is my second take. So you can see all the pieces here. This one obviously goes just above the CPU. That one goes above the NVMe drive. This one goes above the RAM. This one goes above or just below the fan. And this thicker piece is just above the Wi-Fi card. So you can see it's got the little backing down here. It's shiny plastic. As you can see, this on the side profile, it's relatively thick. Compare the rest to the rest of these are really thin. Okay, and they're uniquely shaped so that you can follow. Just looking at the picture on the how-to should be pretty self-explanatory where and how they go on. So I don't know if I'm gonna, if this is simple enough, I don't know if I'm gonna make another video on installing it, but who knows. But there it is. If you already don't have a Framework 16, this shouldn't apply to you, because according to them, they've already started putting it in on new builds going forward. So this is only for existing customers who already ordered it or already own it, like me. It's part of the earlier batch. It's funny because I thought they already did included some of, like you see here, I thought that was part of that, and I have that. You know, some of these pads are ready, but apparently those didn't really do enough. But I thought that was what, when Linus was making an issue of it, I thought those were the ones that they put in to fix that. See, you see here and here, and there's two more here. I thought that's what fixed it. I didn't, like I said, I didn't experience any issues. And then here are more pads. So, again, I'm guessing if we ever get an upgraded motherboard, that will come with it too, already installed. So who knows? Hopefully they learn their process. But that's it. Take care, guys. Bye.